International Baking Association. But I want to show you this Never Blast and their little truck. It's outstanding. And I'm broadcasting live around the world. I want you to explain what it is.
Oh, Stroopwafels. Stroopwafels?
You say it.
Stroopwafels. It's a Dutch, simple Dutch snack. It's a waffle coat.
Yes.
Sliced in half.
Yes.
You put caramel in between.
Yes.
And then we heat it up.
It's outstanding. I just tried it. You got to take a look at this. Can you believe it's something in the middle? It's outstanding. So I want to make sure I give them a plug. It's Never Blast. Make sure you try their products. Outstanding. And I love the little caboose. Thank you. Let's show you a little bit more of the show floor. Look at this thing. Sanitary processing. Smart. And Rasco Industries, which is another smart one to do. Bug blocking doors, boy. Ain't that the truth?
Yeah, we make steel doors for loading down.
And steel. I thought I saw something. Oh, I saw something for fall protection?
Yeah, yep. So OSHA's newest requirement is that if you have an opening over 4 feet, you have to have something so our stainless steel doors, or screen doors, ensure that. Yeah. So we've been doing it for over 27 years. Yeah.
Listen to her. She knows what she's talking. I'm broadcasting live around the world now, so I want to make sure I give you a good plug. So between that and an iPhone, when I fall down, it'll tell me about fall protection.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I'm so glad I interviewed you. And you are?
Alice.
Alice, thank you. And it's Rasco Industries. They've been doing it for 27 years. 27 years. That's the company you go with. Anybody that's got that pedigree, business pedigree, is what you want to do. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
So anyway, this is my new product.
I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, Eileen. We'll show you more of just the floor itself, with and without interviews, but I wanted to make sure I showed you. What the equipment side of the baking industry is. So stick with us. We're going into the other pavilion and we'll show you some more. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.